to the Queen's Court. Today I am participating in the annual Fall Lantern collaboration hosted by the beautiful, the lovely Kenya over at Kenya's Decor Corner. Kenya, thank you so much for always, every season, bringing on this beautiful collaboration. I enjoy it because I enjoy fixing up and decorating the lantern. Yes, excuse the noise out here. I'm out here on the lanai. So, Kenya, thank you so much for, putting on this collaboration again, like I said, and I enjoy it every year, every season rather, and I look forward to it, and I'm so thankful and grateful and blessed that I'm able to participate. I brought a lantern just for you, darling. I sure did. Yes, I did. I brought a lantern just so I can participate in the collaborations. And I think it's so beautiful to dial out your lamp or do whatever you want, your lantern, and do whatever it is that you like to do. If you're farmhouse, if you're glam, if you're rustic glam, if you're whatever, So, Kenya, thank you again. And please go and check out Kenya's Decor Corner. Honey, you will not be disappointed. Girlfriend can cook. She decorates her home so beautiful for Christmas and the fall season. And it's just so beautiful. And she's just so talented and so sweet. And most of all, she loves the Lord. So, Kenya, thank you again. Go check her channel out. Tell her Andrea Mason sent you from the Queen's Court. All right? So, if you want to see how I'm, decorating my lantern, then let's just see what's going on here on the table. All right. Love you all. Okay, so here we have our flower. I put it together. All I did was just did the this tie here around the, to keep the flowers together, and then I just stuck my flowers in there. I didn't pull it too tight because I didn't want it to wouldn't be able to stick my flowers in there. I got some lilies here, some beautiful fall lily colors, lily flowers. Y'all know that's my favorite, one of my favorite flowers. And also has some beautiful fall sunflowers here. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and make the bow, or what I should say is attach this to here. And then we're going to attach our bow. And if I feel like I want to stick some more flowers in there, I can do so. But we're going to use this tie here. I forget what they're called. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and attach that on here. And those flowers came from the Dollar Tree a few years ago. Just like that. Okay? And there you have it. You can't see it, but you'll see it in the review. Okay? Alright, so we're going to cut that off here in the back. And what we're going to do now, we have this here, these here ribbon, this here ribbon. And what we're going to do is make the bow. Long enough, okay? So it can hang down and I can do what I like to do. Okay? And we're gonna go ahead and start what I do. Like that. twist it. Okay. One. Another, just make sure they're even to where, you know, we want it to be. And this is going to be a pretty large bow. Because what I mean when I say a full bow, let's say that, a full bow. Because then you just go ahead and twist. That's how I do my bows, y'all. And you twist again, one of my bows. Okay. And twist again, and have maybe, I don't want it to be too overkill. We're just going to do just the 2 bowls, okay? Let's just do 3. Yeah, 3 will be good. And then we'll have enough to hang down and do what we want to do. That. Tie. These really work good for when you're doing ribbons and stuff like that. I think that they do good. They really do hold your stuff pretty good, and I enjoy that. Anything that makes it easy on my hands, you know, with age, you know, really, you know, you're trying to make it easy on yourself. So these ties really work good. If I can just get it in the hole here. So I'm working with really one hand here. Okay, bring that down here. And sometimes, you know, you don't have it on the right side. And it's like, oh my goodness, I think this is on the wrong side. So let me go ahead and turn this around and put it on the right side. So we won't have to double work ourselves. Yep, I got it. Okay, you just pull that. Okay. There you have it. Cut that off. Okay. And we're going to put our bow on here. Cut this here off. I want to say too, the more you do a thing, the better at it you get. Okay? So that's what I always say. You keep practicing and it gets better for you. It gets easier for you. Okay, I'm gonna break these up. I'm doing every other one so I can get the look that I want. Stuff out that glove. Maneuver the ribbon to where you want it. So I love flower arranging, and it's something I've always done. I love it. want to show you how I do this here. Crinkle is for, you know, like the layer to go. Just bend it a little bit. Bend it, fold it under. Bend it, fold it under. Then I'll pull it just a little bit so it won't look so. Okay. Okay, so here is the final reveal on this beautiful, beautiful lantern. Ribbon came from the Dollar Tree. These flowers came from, where did these flowers come from? These lilies came from General Dollar. These beautiful ribbons came from the Dollar Tree. These right here came from the Dollar Tree. These flower leaves came from, it was hooked onto a 3-tier lantern. So I just took it off and just, you know, did it myself. But this is the final reveal. And in here, we have these beautiful pumpkins, these glitter pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. These right here came from the Dollar Tree. That pumpkin with the A came from the Dollar Tree. And you know, these leaves, again, some of them came from, the fall leaves came from the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much, Kenya, for hosting this beautiful collaboration. And please go and check out Kenya's Decor Corner. And also check out the playlist. Thank you again to all my faithful returning family members. I appreciate each and every one of you. This is where this lantern is going to sit. We're going to sit out here this evening and have dinner. So it's kind of dark. I don't like that. I don't know how to get that out of there. But anyway, yeah. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you to all my faithful returning family members, and welcome to all my new family members. I appreciate and love each and every one of you for your love and your support. Thank you again. Blessings, and please be safe. Bye-bye. Love you all. And remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice.